Imagine walking through your backyard and picking fresh fruit and nuts from trees that reward you with harvests year after year. There's no need to buy seeds every spring, rush to plant at the perfect moment, or depend entirely on grocery stores for fresh produce. Instead, you can rely on trees that become more productive as they mature, providing food for decades with very little ongoing effort. For thousands of years, people relied not only on annual vegetables, but also on long-lived fruit and nut trees that continued producing through changing seasons, droughts, harsh winters, and difficult times. Once these trees became established, they required relatively little care while supplying dependable harvests year after year. Although annual crops remain valuable, perennial food trees provide something even greater: lasting food security and a reliable source of nutrition for generations. In this guide, we'll explore 8 remarkable trees capable of supplying abundant harvests for many years. These are hardy, well-proven species that can transform an ordinary piece of land into a productive food forest that keeps giving back season after season. Let's begin with one of the most dependable fruit trees ever grown. 1. Apple tree. The apple tree has earned its reputation as one of the world's most dependable food-producing trees. Long before refrigerators and modern transportation existed, apples played an essential role in the diets of people across Europe, Asia, and North America because they stored exceptionally well after harvest. Kept in cool cellars, fresh apples often remained edible for several months, while fruit that became bruised or overly ripe was rarely wasted. Instead, it could be dried, baked, juiced, fermented, or transformed into applesauce, cider, or vinegar. Young apple trees spend their first few years building an extensive root system, along with a sturdy trunk and strong branches, before concentrating on fruit production. Although this early stage requires patience, it lays the foundation for decades of reliable harvests. Once mature, a healthy apple tree is capable of producing hundreds of pounds of fruit in a single season, often far more than a family can consume fresh. Excess apples can easily be stored, preserved, shared, sold, traded, or even fed to livestock. Apples are also among the most versatile fruits you can grow. They can be enjoyed fresh, baked into pies and desserts, sliced and dried for storage, pressed into juice, cooked into applesauce, or fermented into cider and vinegar. Few fruits offer so many practical uses. Another advantage is their adaptability. Different apple varieties thrive in climates ranging from cold northern regions to warmer growing zones, and many modern cultivars have been bred for improved resistance to common diseases, making them easier to maintain. Apples also contribute valuable nutrition by supplying fiber, vitamin C, and beneficial antioxidants that support overall health. While they are not a complete food by themselves, they pair exceptionally well with grains, legumes, nuts, and other staple crops. Above all, apple trees are incredibly dependable. They never need to be replanted each year, they don't require continual seed purchases, and once established, they continue rewarding growers with dependable harvests season after season, making them one of the finest long-term food trees available. 2. Walnut tree. If apple trees are prized for their dependable fruit, walnut trees are valued for producing one of the most nutritious foods nature has to offer. Although walnut trees grow slowly and require several years before producing large harvests, the patience they demand is rewarded many times over. Once mature, they become valuable assets capable of feeding families for generations. Walnuts are packed with healthy fats, plant-based protein, dietary fiber, essential vitamins, important minerals, and powerful antioxidants. They are particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, making them an outstanding food for supporting brain function, heart health, and sustained energy. A mature walnut tree may produce thousands of nuts every year, and each one is naturally protected by a tough shell that allows it to remain fresh for extended periods. Properly stored in cool, dry conditions, walnuts can last for months, making them an ideal crop for long-term food storage and emergency supplies. Their versatility makes them even more valuable. Walnuts can be eaten raw, roasted for a richer flavor, ground into flour, pressed into nutritious oil, or added to breads, baked goods, desserts, and countless everyday recipes. Walnut oil itself has been appreciated for centuries not only as a cooking ingredient, but also for a variety of traditional household uses. Beyond producing food, walnut trees provide another remarkable benefit through their highly prized hardwood, which is sought after for premium furniture, cabinetry, and woodworking projects. Their extensive root systems also stabilize the soil and draw nutrients from deeper layers, helping improve the long-term health of the surrounding landscape. Although growing a walnut tree requires patience, every passing year brings larger harvests, stronger growth, and greater value. You're not simply planting for the next growing season, you are investing in a dependable source of nutritious food, valuable timber, and long-lasting resilience that can benefit future generations. 3. Mulberry tree. Mulberry trees are often overlooked, yet they rank among the most productive and low-maintenance fruit trees available for anyone interested in long-term food security. They establish quickly, adapt to many different climates, and naturally resist numerous pests and diseases. Even when grown in poor soils or during periods of limited rainfall, mulberry trees usually continue thriving with minimal attention. Once their deep roots become established, they require little fertilizing, pruning, or spraying, while continuing to produce abundant harvests year after year. One of their greatest strengths is their extraordinary productivity. A mature mulberry tree can produce hundreds of pounds of fruit every season, and unlike many fruit trees that ripen all at once, mulberries mature gradually over several weeks. This extended harvest period provides a steady supply of fresh berries instead of one overwhelming crop. The fruit is naturally sweet, delicious, and packed with valuable nutrients, including vitamin C, dietary fiber, iron, natural sugars that provide energy, and antioxidants that help protect the body from oxidative stress. Mulberries are also extremely versatile in the kitchen. They can be eaten fresh directly from the tree, dried for long-term storage, transformed into jams, syrups, sauces, juices, or fermented into vinegar and homemade wine. Even the leaves have practical value, traditionally being brewed into herbal tea, used as livestock feed, or incorporated into various herbal preparations. From the perspective of self-sufficiency, few fruit trees are as resilient as the mulberry. It tolerates heat, cold, drought, and many different soil conditions while continuing to produce dependable harvests with very little maintenance. Planting a mulberry tree today is an investment that can provide your family with nutritious, reliable food for many decades while requiring surprisingly little effort once established. 4. Pear tree. While apple trees often receive most of the recognition, pear trees are just as valuable and, in many situations, even more dependable when growing conditions become difficult. Numerous pear varieties tolerate freezing winters remarkably well and naturally resist many of the diseases that commonly affect other fruit trees. They also cope with poor soil, strong winds, and occasional neglect better than many orchard species. It's not unusual to discover old pear trees on abandoned farms that continue producing generous harvests decades after the surrounding gardens have disappeared. This exceptional toughness makes pears one of the smartest long-term investments for anyone interested in dependable food production. Another impressive feature is their longevity. A healthy pear tree can remain productive for well over a century, providing fruit for several generations from a single planting. Like apples, pears also store extremely well. Many varieties are harvested while still firm and gradually ripen during storage, becoming sweeter and more flavorful over time. When kept in cool conditions, they often remain fresh for several months. They can also be dried easily, creating lightweight, nutritious fruit that stores well and serves as an excellent addition to long-term food reserves. Nutritionally, pears supply dietary fiber, beneficial minerals, and slow-releasing carbohydrates that provide lasting energy throughout the day. They are also easy to digest, making them especially valuable whenever food choices are limited. One additional advantage is their bloom time. Pear trees generally flower slightly later than apples, reducing the likelihood that delicate blossoms will be damaged by late spring frosts and increasing the chances of a dependable crop each year. Although pear trees may never be the fastest growing or most eye-catching fruit trees, their true strength lies in their consistency. Season after season, they continue producing reliable harvests, even when growing conditions become less than ideal. 5. Fig tree. Few fruit trees combine rapid production and remarkable resilience quite like the fig tree. For thousands of years, figs have been cultivated across warm regions because they tolerate drought, rocky ground, and poor soils far better than many other fruit trees. One of their greatest advantages is how quickly they begin producing. Unlike many orchard trees that require years of waiting, fig trees often bear fruit only 2 or 3 years after planting. And under favorable conditions, Some varieties even reward growers with two separate harvests during a single season. Their dependable productivity has made them an important food source throughout history. Certain varieties first produce a smaller crop on older branches before delivering a much heavier harvest later in the growing season, extending the availability of fresh fruit for many weeks. Figs are naturally rich in fiber, potassium, calcium, magnesium, antioxidants, and easily available carbohydrates that provide an excellent source of energy. Their naturally high sugar content is one reason dried figs became a staple food for travelers throughout the Mediterranean and Middle East, where they were carried on long journeys and stored for winter use. Dried figs offer many practical advantages because they keep well without refrigeration, require very little preparation, remain lightweight for transportation, and preserve much of their nutritional value even after drying. Another remarkable quality of fig trees is how easily they can be propagated. A simple branch cutting placed into moist soil often develops roots and grows into a completely new tree. Over time, one healthy tree can gradually become the foundation of an entire orchard. Fig trees are also excellent choices for containers, patios, and small gardens because they respond well to pruning and continue producing heavily even when maintained at a compact size. They ask for very little beyond sunshine and basic care. Rich soil, constant watering, and intensive maintenance are generally unnecessary. In return, they reward gardeners with dependable harvests for decades, making figs one of the fastest ways to establish a productive, long-term food source. 6. Olive tree. The olive tree represents far more than simply another fruit-bearing plant. For thousands of years, it has symbolized resilience, self-reliance, and long-term food security throughout the Mediterranean world. These remarkable trees have survived droughts, intense heat, poor soils, and difficult growing conditions, while continuing to produce dependable harvests when many other crops struggled. Their greatest gift is olive oil, a product that has served countless purposes throughout history. Beyond being an important food, olive oil has also been used as medicine, lamp fuel, a valuable trade commodity, and an ingredient in traditional skincare. A mature olive tree can remain productive for many decades, making it one of the most valuable long-term investments for any homestead or self-sufficient property. Olive oil is especially prized because it contains a high concentration of calories, stores exceptionally well, and provides healthy fats that are often difficult to obtain during emergencies or survival situations. The olives themselves supply heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, long-lasting energy, powerful antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, along with numerous nutrients that support overall health. The trees are extraordinarily hardy, thriving in dry climates where many other fruit trees would struggle. They tolerate drought, scorching temperatures, rocky ground, poor soil, and persistent winds with very little difficulty. Their deep and extensive root systems allow them to reach underground moisture, greatly reducing the need for frequent irrigation. Perhaps most impressive is their lifespan. Many olive trees continue living and producing for several hundred years, while some ancient specimens have survived for well over 1,000 years. Planting an olive tree is not simply an investment for your own lifetime, but a legacy that can continue benefiting future generations. Although fresh olives require curing before they become edible and producing olive oil takes additional work, the final product remains one of the most useful and valuable foods a homestead can produce. In warm climates, very few trees can rival the olive tree for its extraordinary combination of durability, productivity, longevity, and overall value. 7. Avocado tree. In regions where the climate is warm enough, avocado trees produce one of the most nutritious and energy-rich harvests any fruit tree can offer. Unlike the majority of fruits, which are made up largely of natural sugars, avocados are packed with healthy fats, dietary fiber, and an impressive range of essential nutrients. They provide balanced nourishment and long-lasting energy, making them far more substantial than an ordinary fruit. Avocados are particularly valued for their abundance of heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, folate, and numerous important vitamins that support overall health. This outstanding nutritional profile makes avocado trees especially valuable for anyone interested in building a self-sufficient food supply, where both calories and proper nutrition are equally important. Once mature, an avocado tree is capable of producing hundreds of fruits every season. Another significant advantage is that avocados do not fully ripen while hanging on the tree. Instead, they begin ripening only after being harvested, allowing growers to pick fruit whenever needed and naturally extend its storage life. Young trees require a little extra attention while becoming established, thriving best in well-drained soil with consistent watering and protection from severe frosts. As they mature, however, they become far more resilient and reward growers with increasingly generous harvests. One of the greatest benefits of avocado trees is their ability to provide a reliable source of healthy fats directly from the landscape. In many emergency or survival situations, dietary fat is one of the most difficult nutrients to obtain, yet avocados supply it naturally year after year. Rather than relying solely on stored food, an avocado tree continually transforms sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil into fresh, calorie-rich fruit that can remain safely on the branches until you're ready to harvest it. In suitable climates, very few food trees can equal the avocado's remarkable combination of nutrition, productivity, and long-term dependability. 8. Chestnut tree. Among all food-producing trees, the chestnut deserves recognition as one of the greatest long-term survival crops ever cultivated. For hundreds of years, chestnut trees served as a primary food source across large parts of Europe and Asia, particularly in mountainous regions where growing grain crops was often difficult. Rather than being considered a seasonal treat, chestnuts formed an essential part of everyday diets and helped sustain entire communities through challenging times. Unlike most other nuts, chestnuts contain relatively little fat and are naturally rich in complex carbohydrates. Their nutritional value resembles foods such as potatoes or grains, far more closely than typical nuts, providing steady, long-lasting energy that supported people performing hard, physical labor and helped families endure periods of food scarcity. Chestnuts are also remarkably versatile in the kitchen. They can be roasted over a fire, boiled until tender, mashed into hearty side dishes, ground into nutritious flour, added to soups and stews, or incorporated into bread, porridge, and many traditional recipes. Chestnut flour is especially prized because it stores well, has a naturally sweet flavor, and can replace grain flour in numerous baked goods and meals. A single tree capable of producing a flour-like staple food is an extraordinary asset for any long-term food system. Once mature, a chestnut tree can yield hundreds of pounds of nuts every year, providing far more than a supplemental harvest and potentially becoming one of the primary calorie sources for an entire household. Another major advantage is how little maintenance these trees require after becoming established. They continue producing dependable crops year after year without annual planting, tilling, or intensive care. Their benefits extend far beyond food production as well. Fallen leaves gradually improve soil fertility, the broad canopy provides cooling shade, and the extensive root system helps stabilize hillsides while reducing erosion. Even difficult landscapes can become far more productive with mature chestnut trees growing on them. Few food trees combine such high-calorie production, environmental benefits, exceptional longevity, and reliable harvests as effectively as the chestnut. That remarkable combination earned it the historic nickname the bread tree, a title that reflects its long-standing role as one of the world's most dependable sources of survival food.